Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I know you didn't have to, so I really do appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap on my subscribe, and hit the ringy dingy bell, and I will support you back. Just go ahead and like it now. Just tap like now. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's going on? So today I am so happy because I finally get to do the video on one of my favorite beauty on a budget brands. Actually, it is my favorite beauty on a budget brand, and it is my UCANBE. UCANBE is an amazing brand, and I finally was able to get the product that I was waiting to get in order to do this video because I really wanted it. And as you know, I've had a couple of the palettes for a long time, and yeah, you guys will see. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful look on my face, my eyes, just keep on watching. You know the drill. I'll be back with you guys very soon. If you've been watching my channel, you know how much I am absolutely in love with the brand UCANBE. UCANBE is just, it's just one of those brands that it's amazing. It's amazing for a good price. So I am finally able to get a UCANBE video done. I'm really excited about it. So we're gonna start with two palettes. Okay, I have 3 palettes and a highlight palette. I was waiting to get that highlight palette before I did the video because I really wanted that. So I don't have any highlight on my face today, and I don't have any eyeshadow on, but I do have a little bit of mascara, but we can work around that. We can definitely work around that. So I am going to start with the 2 Twilight and Dusk palettes. They look like this. They are beautiful, gorgeous. For the price, you guys, it's just amazing. So I'm going to show you these. They have both of them have the same box, like this. So basically, there's a 1 and a 2. The number 1 is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. And the number 2 is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold. Also, but I have 3. I have 3 of the Huda Beauty Rose Gold dupes, and this one by far is my favorite. So we'll start with this one. This is the best dupe. I'm going to do a dupe comparison video, and we're going to see which one's the best. So yes, I'm super excited about showing you guys this. So these palettes are 18 eyeshadows and 4 ready to layer textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 pressed pearls, 3 duochrome toppers, and 1 daring glitter. They are called the Twilight and Dusk palettes. High pigmentation, easy to blend. Mix and layer textures to create your own look. Dab the toppers on top or center or all over your lids for a shiny pop. Layer an extra coat using your fingers for extreme iridescent effect. Apply the pure glitter all over or on eyelines, or line eyes with a firm flat brush to give your look a playful hint of shine. So these are amazing. These are cruelty free. So when you open the palette, these don't have mirrors. These 2 don't have mirrors, but this is what it looks like. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The pigmentation on this is gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch a couple of the colors. Look at that, y'all. All right, so here's the 4 colors there. Look at the pigment in these. Oh my gosh, look at my fingers. Ha! I mean, that's insane for the price. And these palettes are so cheap. They are like so inexpensive that it's ridiculous, honestly. And UCANBE has been, like I said, one of my favorite cheaper brands. And it's not cheap as quality, it's cheap in price. So it's been one of my favorites for a long time. And I have been wanting to make this video forever. So you guys just don't know. I've been wanting to do it forever. It is so good to be able to you know, when it's definitely beauty on a budget. So when you're able to go on Amazon, I got these on Amazon, and you're able to put something in your cart for $8.99, or you know, less than $12 for these palettes. I'm just gonna call it like that. Less than $12. Less than $12 for these palettes. So I'll show you again what this one looks like, and then I will show you the other one. This is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. It's just everything that you would like in a palette, but it's just for a cheaper price. So UCANBE is just amazing. So the other one is the Desert Dusk dupe, and this is #1. This is Twilight and Dust palette #1. They have the numbers right here on them, but this one looks like this. Oh, it's gorgeous. I have not touched this one yet. So I'm going to swatch a couple of the colors in here, sort of like this, but this one is kind of a duochrome too. But look at those. Look at them. Look at that purple. Oh, I just love it. I just love these palettes. I love them. They are absolutely gorgeous. They really are. So yes, this is the Huda Beauty UCANBE of the Twilight and Dusk, but it's the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk dupe. So we have the Desert Dusk and the Rose Gold, and these are worth every single penny plus some. So I am now going to show you my favorite and what I am going to use on my eyes right now. Today, this is the Dreamland palette. I have raved about this palette for months and months and months. This is a palette on its own that is different from anything you will ever see. I just want to read what it says on the back. It's the same on the box, but on the back of this it says Dreamland UCANBE, the ultimate grunge palette, includes 18 long-wearing shades, 4 unique finishes, 1 swipe coverage designed for eyes, cheek, and face. Yes, eyes, cheek, and face. An epic new take on the palette that started it all, with shades ranging from rustic reds, golden roses, berries, and pinks to bronze neutrals. Highly pigmented, ultra buttery formula lays down a supreme color payoff that doesn't fade or fall out. And I agree with that 100%, totally 100%. These pans are 1.8 grams each, and these are 1 grams each. So these pans are a little bigger. And this palette is also cruelty free. This brand is cruelty free. So let me just show you the palette. So this one does have a mirror. This does have a mirror, and it's a good mirror too. It's a big mirror. So, and they all come with the sheets that come over it. But look at this palette, y'all. Isn't that the most different palette? I mean, it's just so unique. It really is. It is a unique palette. It is something that I am so proud to have in my collection, because I haven't seen anything like this. I have not. Yeah. But this is my favorite palette, and I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to use it. So, and then last but not least, I finally was able to get my hands on the UCANBE highlight palette. This is called Heaven's Hue Highlighter. It does have a mirror, and it has the 4 shades. I don't want to blind you with the mirror, but it does have the mirror here. And so it's got like this yellowish gold shade. It's got the green. It's got the purple. And then this is more of like a peach. So, and they're beautiful. They're just beautiful little highlight shades. Now, I don't know about, you know, putting them on top of this and putting them on top of that. I haven't experimented with it that much. But I just call it what it is a highlight palette. You know, I can use this for inner corner highlight. I can use this for brow bone highlight. Use this for highlight everywhere. And evidently I can use it in other places. So yes, this is definitely great, and this is so inexpensive. So inexpensive. UCANBE, y'all have got me. Y'all have had me for a while. So I already have a base laid down on my eyes, and I want to get into an eye look with the Dreamland palette, and then we will finish this video up because I don't want it to be too long. So I am going to put this in fast forward. I'm going to just do kind of a simple eye look with this, and then I will come back and do final thoughts on everything. And I just want you guys to try this stuff. You know, this, by the way, not endorsed by UCANBE. I'm not getting paid. I am not getting anything for doing this. This is just me trying to, you know, show you guys how amazing this stuff is, and doing my beauty on a budget, sticking with that, and just giving you good information. So let's work on the eyes. Hey guys, so I was able to pull off this look. I went ahead and just did a really nice tight line on the inner and the upper of, I keep beating on my table, I'm sorry, on the inner and the upper of my lid. I think it turned out beautiful. I did use the orange, this orangey-ish peachy color in the corners for highlight, so inner corners. I want to use this on my face as well for highlight. I want to do this with y'all. Look at that. Look at that pigment. It's gorgeous. It really is. It's a gorgeous highlight. And these shadows, oh my goodness, I had no fallout in these shadows, you guys. None. No fallout. Every time I use this palette, it just makes me smile. It does. It makes me happy because I know that no matter what, I always do a different look with it, and no matter what, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be gorgeous. It doesn't matter what colors I use. It's gonna be a gorgeous eye look. So this UCANBE stuff is no joke. It is very worth the money, and for me, it's beauty on a budget. You know, for this formula and for what you get and for how many shadows you get and for the payoff you get, this is something that people would pay more for, you know, and they normally would have to, but UCANBE has done something and figured out a way to make their formula to where, you know, you don't have to, and it turns out beautiful. So I am going to take this highlight palette, and I'm going to take that same color, and I'm going to put a little bit on my lips. I mean, it just changed the whole way that my lips look. I mean, now it matches up in my eyes, and everything is just looking nice and just flawless. And I just love this look. When I went into the shadow palette and I started building up color and doing my transition, I didn't have to dip into this 5 times. No, I didn't. I just dipped into it once. The transition color, I mean, you could see as soon as I put the peach color, as soon as I used this peach color right here and put it on my eyelids, you could see the color pay off. And then as I went on, every time, you guys can still see it. So you can get it on Amazon. I will link these palettes and all these below, so that you can go get them if you want to. Thank you, UCANBE. Y'all are amazing, and I love your company. So y'all are good with me. So if you like this look, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe, and hit my ring bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. If you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. And thank you for watching as always. I love you guys. Will not argue with you. See y'all in my next video. Bye.